Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your lock security pattern. Go ahead and enter the Gmail ID right here. So the Gmail ID you need to add right here has to be the Gmail ID of a particular lost phone. Once you enter the Gmail ID, proceed to next. Go ahead and enter the account password. Go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Go ahead and add your recovery mail right here. Go ahead and click on save. Skip this for now. After you have successfully added the Gmail account of the particular lost phone on a phone, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon again. Then you will see the Gmail account right here. Go ahead and select on the Gmail account of the lost phone. Having selected the Gmail account of the lost phone, next thing you want to do is to exit from your Gmail account right here. Then you have to go ahead and head over to the settings on the particular phone you are using for the tracking. Now, when you get to setting right here, next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here until you get to Google. Click on Google right here. Then go ahead and click on all services. Then take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. So go ahead and scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to find all. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on find all. That's going to take you right here. Now you have different options right here. The first option here is remote lock. Find your device offline right here. Find up app. Find up app. Find up web. So right here, what we want to do is to lock the lost device And for you to lock the lost device, what you need to do is to click on Find Hub Web. So it will redirect you to web and show you the detail about that particular phone. And it's going to take you right here, just like what you see right here. And the location of the phone will be given. The name of the phone you are looking for will also be given. Now, for you to lock that particular phone, for you to block it, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on Secure Device. When you click on Secure Device, this is going to pop up right here. What you need to do is to click on Secure Device. Once you click on Secure Device, the device is going to be locked. And the person that stole the phone will not have access to PIN or pattern and password to unlock the phone. And at the same time, you will be signed out of your Google account on that particular device that lost. And at the same time, this device will be secure and you can still locate that particular device. And at the same time, the payment card will be removed from your Google Wallet of that particular lost phone. This is very much important. The first step you need to take into consideration if you eventually discover that your phone has been lost. Make sure you block the phone. Make sure you lock everything about the phone with your Gmail or Google account. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.